Hey guys, it's me Risa. How you doing? Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well. One of the things that has really helped me on my journey is knowing that I can have everything in moderation and I can find different treats and snacks and meals that I can modify so that I can enjoy things that are guilt-free. And today you are so lucky because I've created another only 6 ingredient, delicious, versatile, guilt-free cereal cluster snack, dessert, whatever you want to call it, okay? Really easy, and if you don't have the same ingredients, I always say you can modify anything. All my ingredients and directions are under each video. Remember that I have a Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. I'm on Instagram, WW Risa's Tips. And please, please, if you make any of my recipes, which I know you have and you do and you will, to please take a picture and tag me. Oh, the oven's ready. I've preheated it to 350 and you're only going to bake these little clusters for about 5 minutes. That's it. So take a baking sheet and just line it with parchment paper, okay? And preheat your oven to 350. I think I said that. Now, easy peasy. Again, if you don't have the exact same ingredients, then you can modify it. You can also modify what you put in or how much you put in, depending if you're on WW Wellness That Works. And any program, it doesn't matter. You can add the things that you enjoy and love, okay? And this is vegetarian, it's vegan, all right? And it is yummy. So I wanted to make sure that lots of people could enjoy these little treats. So I bought this high protein, okay? And it is high protein, 12 grams of protein per cup cereal. Now, if you don't have the K cereal, this is from the low carb grocery store. People that are in Canada can go online, they do ship. You can use another cereal like Cheerios or other cereals, okay? And I'm using 2 cups. And for this cereal on all programs is 6 smart points. I know. So you get quite a bit. So we're just gonna add 2 cups to a large bowl. I'm telling you, this is so easy. Now, I love sunflower seeds, and I have 3 tablespoons, which is 1 smart point each. I have 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. And again, if there's other kind of seeds that you like, I put in a couple of tablespoons of some sliced slivered almonds or whatever almonds. You could use pecans, you can use other things, but for a tablespoon on WW, it's 1 smart point each. And I love these little Sensato chocolate chips. Again, because for 1 tablespoon, you get a ton and 1 smart point, okay? So I'm using probably about 3 tablespoons worth. The whole recipe is about 16, 17, could be up to 20. If you want to use coconut, you could add coconut, all right? So again, it's versatile, any seed, any nut, all right? You could use the Lily's chocolate chips, the white chocolate chips, the milk chocolate chips. Try saying that a few times. And of course, you want something that's gonna stick it together. And I love, did I say love? I absolutely love the Joseph syrup, okay? I love the flavor and it's just absolutely delicious and thick. And it is a great honey alternative. Now, guys, if you want to use honey or agave or a sugar-free honey or whatever you want, of course you can. I'm using a half a cup, a good full half a cup, all right, because that's going to help to get it to stick together, right? And you might even need a little bit more so that they form little clusters, okay? And I usually put a little bit more, about another tablespoon or so over it when I put it on my cookie sheet. All right, so we're just gonna And that's it. 6 ingredients, 1 bowl, which I love, everything in 1 bowl, and mix, mix, mix. And you'll see that everything's going to now stick together, okay? And you don't need to bake this for very long, and then you're going to put it in your fridge or freezer. Don't touch them. After they come out, let them completely cool, okay? Don't touch them. They're going to fall apart, I'm telling you. And then put them in the fridge or freezer. And I get about 20, depending on how big or how small you want them, all right? And I saved some from my other jar. And I just take a tablespoon, and then I just put them on my cookie sheet like that. Okay, really easy. Just put them on and just continue. And sometimes you just have to scrunch it together, all right? And if you want a little bit more of the syrup in here, you can add it if you think you need it, all right? And so on and so forth until you finish the whole bowl, all right? Now, of course, you're gonna stick it in the oven for 5 minutes, like I said, and then when you take it out, I have some already made, of course, and I take a spatula, put it in the freezer, the fridge for a good like 15, 20 minutes, let them get nice and cold and hard. You don't want to touch them because you want them to stick together. And then I would keep them in a sealed container in the fridge or freezer, and they'll last for quite a while because there's nothing that's bad in them. And then, dun, da, 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 here they are, okay? I'm just gonna pick them up and show you what they look like. And they are so delicious for a treat, a snack, on the go, all right? Even for a breakfast, why not, okay? And crunchy, satisfying, guilt-free, and that's what we want, right? Don't they look so cute and delicious? And they are, which is even better. So, again, fast, easy, something you can make yourself with your kids, with your grandchildren. You can even make this at work if you have students like I do, when you are at work again. And it's just easy and yummy. So I hope you enjoy this 6-ingredient cereal clusters by Risa. And please comment. Tell me what you think. If you've changed it up, tell me what you did. Comment below. Make sure that you subscribe. Share my channel with everybody because we want to pay it forward and help everybody get healthy, right? That's the #1 thing. Being healthy and having a nice long life together. All right. I love you guys, and I will be back with lots more recipes for you. Mwah. Bye for now.